Hello everybody, it is me, Ace Pilot 109, also known as Captain John, and in this video, I'm going to be taking this Hobby Lobby cheap foam glider from this into this. Well, everybody that's ever grown up with an interest in aviation has probably seen these cheap little foam gliders. You can get them at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon. I've never had one before, even though I grew up with airplanes. I just never bought these little things, but I finally got one and I was inspired. Can I make it remote control? That is the question of the day. Now, the build process on this was actually pretty easy. Basically, I just took the airplane and I decided I wanted it to be a 3-channel, but I want to have ailerons because I expect this aircraft to be kind of sporty. As you can see, it is a sleek airframe, and I am increasing the wing loading of this glider, obviously, by adding all these random electronic bits. So I wanted to ensure I had good roll control, and of course, pitch stability is very important, so I have an elevator. Of course. I also purposely put this motor way up here and this battery as far forward as I could because I wanted the center of mass to be as far forward as possible. These smaller aircraft are very finicky, so I wanted to ensure I had a very stable aircraft. In fact, I wanted it to be overstable to ensure that it doesn't just flip around and do all sorts of random things. Well, let's stop talking about how it's gonna fly and let's actually go fly it. Everything is ready to go. Wow. That flies impressively well. Here's full throttle. Plenty of roll control. I can definitely dial that down. Definitely a quick little thing. I am genuinely very surprised. So definitely a sporty little guy. But holy cow, it's like it's on rails. Here's full throttle again. That is so awesome. I am so happy this is flying so well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and come in for landing. Oop, that was not very pretty. Man, that is so cool. You know, it's real awesome to build your own projects from scratch, but to be able to get something else that you bought for $4 to fly, and especially this well, that's a really awesome feeling. And I mean, it really cruises around half throttle. That's ideal, almost perfect. Real smooth flying airplane. Not gonna be doing any 3D with this one. Not that I could to begin with. We should try flying inverted. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It flies inverted, everyone. Pretty good, too. All right, now we'll land. Yeah, gotta land it a little quick, but so light, that's all right. Well, everybody, that's been it for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed. This little glider was awesome to make. It flew so well. I'm so glad I can share this with you guys. This is something that I've actually really wanted to do for almost my whole life. I've always seen people taking these little foam gliders and building really awesome little aircraft out of them. But I always thought, you know, they're too small to work. You know, there's no way I could ever do that. Well, I scrounged up some old electronics, some little motors, some little servos, some lightweight stuff, and I used what I've learned over the years to build, as you can see, a very successful aircraft. And while I really do hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more aviation content. This is an awesome success after my slight failure with my parachute airplane. That didn't go too well. But it is awesome to be able to bounce back and build something as awesome as this. So if you enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see all of you in the next video. Thank you very much.